Hello guys, welcome back to CodeZ channel. Now let's talk about Python programming language. Python is one of the most common high-level programming language, which is simple and easy to learn. Python is popular for its readability as well as clean and clear syntax. Python has a vast and supportive community of developers, and this makes it easy for beginners to be able to learn Python programming language because they can easily get support on different platforms online, either on YouTube channels or different websites where they can read articles. Python has a rich ecosystem of libraries, and this has made it to be adopted by data analysts as their preferred language for data analysis. Also, Python has a large collection of libraries such as NumPy and Panda, which makes it easy for data analysts to perform data analysis. Lastly, Python is integrated with Jupyter Notebook, which gives the user a friendly interface for them to perform analysis on their data.